baddies, welcome back to my channel. It's KILOKI here and I'm back with another video. So as you can tell by the title, today we are doing some subtle highlights for the summer, honey. This is my first time doing highlights, so bear with me. You know I do everything for my beginner baddies and we learn together. So what I'm doing now is I'm just parting my closure. This is a 6x6 3-part closure. I will leave all the hair details below. I believe this hair is from ISEEHAIR, but I'm just parting that middle part. Then I'm going to take my Clairol BW2 bleach. I am also going to be using 40 volume developer. These items were purchased at my local beauty supply store. You're also going to need a mixing bowl and a brush. So what I'm doing is called the weaving method. So I'm taking my rat tail comb, I'm going under, up, and under. And the hair that I pull out from going up and under, that will be the hair that I will bleach. So I did the weaving method. I'm separating the hair. I'm taking a piece of aluminum foil. And also, of course, you're going to need aluminum foil to incubate the hair while it's processing. And then I'm just going to lather the bleach on those strands. So all I'm doing is, like I said, lathering the bleach. Make sure the bleach gets on all strands of the hair that we sectioned. Then I'm going to close the aluminum by closing it from my left side, the bottom side, and then the right side. And then I separate it. I separate a second section of the hair and I get it out the way, and then I separate a third section and I go back in with that up under up method, the weaving method. And then I proceed to process or bleach those strands. With highlights, to simplify it a little bit more, you can pick up a piece of hair, bleach it, skip a piece, bleach the next piece. So like skip, skip, bleach, skip, basically. I think I got that from another YouTuber. But yes, she explained it better than, you know. If you don't understand the weaving method, definitely pick up a piece of hair, bleach it, skip, pick up another piece of hair, bleach it, skip. And that is the easiest way I can simplify this, and I just keep doing that for all of my closure. I did do the up and under method throughout the whole entire closure, and then I did probably the first track up under my closure. I did not bleach the entire thing. So yeah, I'm just gonna be quiet and continue to do these highlights for you guys. I hope it's very simple. It was simple to me. It was a little bit challenging because this is my first time, but honey, we got through it, period, and we got those nice highlights to peek through. So I'm just going to continue to put the bleach on the hair. If you haven't by now, go ahead and click that subscribe button and turn on those post notifications so you can be notified of all the content that I upload and become another baddie in the room. I really appreciate you guys watching my video and supporting, so please keep doing that for me. Again, I'm just going to be quiet and go ahead and finish this bleaching process for y'all. Quick tip: the parts that you want the lightest, make sure you do those first, because those parts will process faster and they will get lighter faster. I just wanted subtle highlights, so I kind of put the lighter pieces to the back, which is why I did the back first. But if you want lighter pieces towards the front, make sure you bleach those pieces first. So now that I have sectioned off and bleached all of the hair that I wanted, I let the bleach sit in for about 10 to 20 minutes. I just checked on it periodically throughout the time I was letting it, chill. And then after that, I just shampooed the hair out with purple shampoo to get some of that brassiness out, and I let it air dry. And yeah, so now I'm going to go ahead and install it for you guys. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just pushing my edges back. Y'all see this in all of my install videos. I'm just taking some edge control, and I am putting that edge control on my edges and just brushing it back so it won't be in the way, honey, so we won't take our edges out when we're installing this beautiful wig we just highlighted. So that is the wig, blow dried and semi straightened. I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and I'm going to powder the lace because I am a lazy lace wearer, honey. I don't really bleach the knots and stuff like that. So a lazy girl hack, a lazy lace girl hack, honey, is to just put powder on them knots. Powder that wig up, honey. You can never put too much powder on. So I'm just throwing that wig on back and fitting it to my head to see where I would like my wig to sit. And I'm just pushing all that hair out the way so I can begin cutting off this lace. And I'm just going to take some scissors and I am just going to cut the lace. Again, a disclaimer, I am not a professional, honey. I don't do hair for real. I am self-taught and I'm learning day by day. So I'm just cutting off that excess lace. I did notice that I over plucked just a little bit, but I've had this closure sitting in my hair bin for almost a year, believe it or not. Believe it or not, this closure has been sitting in my hair bin for a year. But what I'm doing now is I'm taking my alcohol and I am cleansing that area. I'm going to take my Magic Hold, my 48-hour glue, honey, because y'all know I can't commit to a wig. And I am just putting that wig on my forehead. Again, I have a closure, so I'm only going to put enough glue for my closure. I'm spreading that glue out, and I'm taking a hair dryer and I'm making sure that glue dries until it's clear, honey. If you don't wait for this glue to dry until it's clear, baby, when you sit your lace on top of the glue, you're gonna have some white spots where the glue never dried, and it's gonna stick to the wig, and you're gonna see it, and it's gonna be a horrible time. So please, baby, make sure that glue is completely clear before you move on to the next step. It's so crucial. So in the next clip, I'm taking my TIGI bed head spray and I'm spraying that over that because, again, honey, I want to be able to take this wig off. So for a little more reinforcement, I'm just taking my firm holding spray. This would be your Got To Be Glue, your spritz, your ORS spray, and I would just, spray that on top of that glue and blow dry that until that is dry, and then you'll be on your way to actually laying the lace down and it being clean and flawless. So I'm pushing that wig on top of that glue and spritz. I'm going to take my comb and just make sure everything is set into place and everything is melting like it's supposed to. Again, this closure is old, but it's never been used, and I was practicing plucking on it, so I did pluck just a little bit too much, but that is fine, honey. We are all beginners and we are all learning. So I'm taking my TIGI spray again, and I'm just spraying that into the lace, and I'm just going to blow dry that with my blow dryer. Now for the ultimate melt, honey, I am putting on my wrap lotion from Ebon. I'm just laying that on my lace. I love doing this after I lay my lace because it just melts into my skin like butter. Okay, straight butter, baby. Okay, I love putting that lotion on after I install my wig. Like, it's just the ultimate melt, period. So it's been about 45 minutes I've been doing my makeup, and I let that sit, and now we are blended. We're looking good. I'm just taking my Tresemme keratin oil, and I'm putting that all over my hair, and I am just straightening the hair. So basically this is it for the install. There are a few things that I could have perfected just a little bit more, but again, we are all learners. We're all learners, honey, period, and we're learning together. Okay, but with that being said, I'm just straightening the hair, and we're almost done with this install. Again, if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and stop the video, pause the video right now, and go ahead and subscribe and become another baddie in the room, honey. This is a judgment-free zone. This is a zone where you can come and be yourself, ask questions, and learn. So make sure you guys subscribe, okay? I really enjoy making these videos for you guys, and I really love the support. So yeah, just go ahead and click subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'm just going to finish straightening the hair and customizing it a little bit more, and then I will see you guys at the end of the video. Alright, baddies, this is the end of the video. This is how my highlights turned out. Very nice, very subtle highlights for the summer, and it was super easy to do. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and stop what you're doing right now and subscribe to my channel to become another baddie in the room. I want to thank you guys so much for your support, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.